Hi, I'm Henry Timms and I'm the co-author of New Power. As we look across the world right now, it's all feeling very chaotic, it's all feeling very disconnected. We have the unexpected rise of people like Barack Obama or Donald Trump. We have these amazing platforms that have risen up in our lives like Uber or Facebook. We have these social movements which have sprung out of nowhere like Me Too or Never Again. And what all of these things have in common is what this book is all about, which is new power. New power is this idea of the ability to harness the energy of the connected crowd. And what the book's about is the fact that anyone in the world right now who is really getting ahead has worked out how they can get new power into their hands and push it in the direction of the outcomes that they seek. I wrote this book with my friend Jeremy Heimans, and he is an activist. He's co-founded movements like Avaz and Get Up. I'm the leader of a large institution in New York, the 92nd Street Y. We both came at the world from very different places, but we both sensed this same set of trends. That what was really shifting wasn't just technology, what was really shifting was how power is flowing and what that means for us all. So we wrote this book for two big reasons. The first, we wrote this book as a manual. We wanted people everywhere to understand the tools of this new world. How do you spread ideas? How do you raise money? How do you think about leadership? This is what the book's all about, and we're going to be digging into these skills in the videos that follow. But we also wrote this book as a manifesto. One of our large concerns is we've seen this rise of new power, and we were promised that this would lead to democratization and it would lead to greater equity. But the truth of it is, many of the organizations and leaders who are getting new power right aren't those on the side of the angels. We're seeing this rise of platforms that shift things away from us. We're seeing the rise of strongmen leaders around the world. So part of our book is to encourage a debate and encourage that all of us start thinking about new power, and we make sure that at the end of the day, this rise of new power truly makes a lot more people more powerful.